Yes, it is here. Kids are heading back to school, and you know that means cold and flu season is not far behind.
I feel like it's too early to be talking about. Anyway, this summer, 3 new vaccines were approved that may be some valuable tools in the toolbox. Senior health correspondent Monica Robbins explains.
In June, the FDA and CDC approved the RSV vaccine for adults over age 60. In July, they signed off on an RSV monoclonal antibody shot for high-risk newborns to 19 months, such as premature babies or those with heart and lung issues. The latest approval is the RSV shot for pregnant women. The CDC will review it in early October, but it will likely be available by November for women 32 to 36 weeks.
By vaccinating the mother develops antibodies and she's able to transfer some of it to her unborn child so that when the baby is delivered, the baby gets some protection.
The flu shot is already rolling out to local pharmacies and is expected to be a good match to what's coming our way. Dr. Goje strongly encourages pregnant women to get one because pregnancy decreases immunity.
High fevers are known to affect mothers and babies. So not only is the mother sick, that high fever can also affect the unborn child.
We're starting to see an uptick in COVID cases, but nothing like the pandemic. But there's always a chance a newer variant can be a little nastier. An updated booster should be available by October.
The perfect match as much as possible for the variants that are circulating in the country.
You can get the flu and COVID vaccines at the same time, but may want to space out the RSV shot if you qualify for one. Talk to your healthcare provider about your options.
Now, a couple more to remind you of. If you're over 50 and you've had chickenpox, you might consider the shingles vaccine. And if you're over 65, you should consider the pneumococcal vaccine. Talk to your healthcare provider or your pharmacist about when to schedule those, Christy.
Okay, so there's been a lot of talk about this, and I want to know, does it really matter which arm I use to get vaccinated?
Well, there is a new study that just came out of Germany, and it looked into that. And while it focused on COVID vaccines, researchers believe it applies to any vaccine. They found T cells, those are the ones that fight infections, were stronger in those who got the shot in the same arm. So if you can take it, you might consider just using one arm, perhaps your non-dominant arm if you're right-handed or
yeah.
whatever,
So you can still function, right?
Yeah.
Monica, thank you.
Sure.